Hello everyone, in this video we are looking into Ultralytics YOLO 26 newly released object identification, segmentation, pose estimation model from Ultralytics. In the first part of video, we will understand what's new inside YOLO 26, and in the later part of this video, we will be running some code samples to see the capabilities of YOLO 26. YOLO 26 is outperforming its previous generation YOLO models in almost all the tasks. It has a couple of variants. First, the plain object detection variant, then image segmentation, pose or key points estimation. This uses MediaPipe in the backend, then orientation detection of the object, and finally the classification of image. Then all these variants have nano, small, medium, large and extra large model available. There is text-based prompting also available in YOLO 26. You can see you can provide the class's name to the model and model will only identify those classes set in the model. Now let's look into couple of demos. First, let's see plain object detection and saving the output. What I'm doing is loading the model, providing a source, then I'm saying save everything after the execution. I'm saying confidence 0.25 means anything above 0.25. Mark that object, create a new project outputs in the root directory, and inside create a bus demo project and save everything there. I already have downloaded all the models that I need to use, so it will not download the model for me, but when you run the code, it will first download the model. So let me run this. First, let's see the input image. So this is the input image. It has created outputs folder and we have bus demo inside which we have annotated image. It has done fairly enough job in identifying person and bus as it seems into the image. Then there is instant segmentation as well. For that you need to use different model. I'm using the nano version of the segmentation model and let me run this. Here in the outputs I have bus demo 2 and you can see the image is now annotated with the segmented objects, and it is doing fairly good job in identifying the bus as well persons. Now there is MediaPipe-backed pose estimation as well. So let's run this and it will estimate the pose of person. You can see here and here it's showing the hand as well. So it is doing fairly great job. And obviously when you increase the model size from nano to XL, it will be performing much better. Then this YOLO 26 supports text based prompting as well. So I'm saying I'm first loading the model, then I'm saying that I just want to identify bus and I set this into the model. This needs to be done only once when you load the model, and once you load the model and run predict on the model, you'll see it will only identify bus from the image. So in case you do person here and run it, you'll see it only identify the persons into the image. Finally, I have created a small demo code that basically captures my webcam and remove my background and replace the background with the bus image that I have been using. For that, I need to go to a different setup. Let me very quickly do that. Okay, so I am in a different video capturing setup. Now let me run this code. Okay, you can see this is live feed of my video camera. I don't have very good lighting conditions, but you can see the object is identified correctly and segmented correctly as well. You can see there is a clarity. And since I'm using, I guess, the Nano version, no, I'm using the X version, so it's doing fairly decent job in identifying the object and localizing it using the segmented capabilities of the YOLO 26. I guess this is it from my side for this video. The code that I have used during the video is available on my GitHub and the link is in the description of the video. I hope you have gained some knowledge out of this video, and if you do so, consider subscribing to my channel. That helps. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the life. Feel the music. Peace.